we return now to the last three categories. So now we're moving into one, as you know, is like all the categories is very important. Another new one for us. This time we've been asking for initiatives concerning diversity. So if we could have the nominations, please. So as you can see, nominations: Hitachi Vantara, Medtronic, Bureau van Dijk, Auditor Cash, AB InBev, and Celanese. So our first winner is, please. For the award is Medtronic. Oh, let's go, come on. Janetta, you're wearing the carpet out. So, yeah.
Okay, guys, so thank you very much. Fourth prize for us, so I'm excited. What a night for Medtronic, and thank you especially for this one, because in Medtronic we value high diversity, inclusion and equity, so these are one of our core values. So thank you very much and have a good night.